Hi everyone, this is the 11th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series, and it is about the 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 8th of the 12 techniques, and it is about not having duplicate content. What do I mean by this, and how to make sure that your website has no duplicate content? Let's discuss. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates whenever I upload a new video. Here's something important that you as a digital marketer must know. Google and all search engines dislike duplicate content. So make sure that your website does not have any. Duplicate content is content that appears on the internet in more than one place. This means that your content should appear at a unique website address and nowhere else. If it does appear on another website address, then you have duplicate content. It may not get your website penalized heavily, but it can impact your website or web pages search rankings. First and foremost, don't copy the same content, onto other pages or website, because that will definitely create, duplicate content. If you really need to create similar content on another page or website, then use the 301 redirect. You use it on the duplicate page, right? And that points to the original page. This will inform search engines which is the correct original page and which to rank for. As such, this can positively impact your page's ability to rank well. Another option is to use the canonical tag. The canonical tag informs search box which is the original content, and as such, which page should actually be credited for ranking. If you're not sure how to do canonical tags, you can either speak to your webmaster about this, or you can use plugins. There are plugins on WordPress that can allow you to do that. Here's another tip. To safeguard against content scrapers, add a self-referential canonical tag, the link to all your existing pages. Do you have any questions about duplicate content? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share about another on-page SEO technique, and that is about broken links. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.